Hi guys, and welcome to a new different type of video. I have not done one of these types of videos ever in my life, and I'm not here to brag or anything. I don't want to show off, but it is a haul video, and if you want to hear about makeup, 'tis the season to buy things. This is the video on more high-end makeup that is really good, and I'm going to give you my personal opinion on them. Maybe you want to buy it for yourself, maybe you want to buy it for another girl for Christmas, another girlfriend, maybe you are a boy and wanted to buy it for your girlfriend. Something that is really good for multiple skin tones, multiple different types of skin types, everything I will recommend to you. And of course, this is a Sephora haul, as you can tell by the title. So I went to Texas with my friend Bunny Graveyard Girl here on YouTube, and we just had a blast. So let me just tell you about all the things that I got from there, because I got this bag of the things from Sephora. This place right here, the one that has all the makeup that's like, girl, can I afford this? Make sure that I always get high-end products for my mama for Christmas, and just stuff that's really good if you can afford it, and they're just so beautiful. I need to show you. If I keep playing with my hair throughout this video, I need a haircut, like ASAP. Need to find a new hair person. Anyways, first thing I got from Sephora is the NARS Creamy Concealer. This is the most talked about concealer, and I can see why. This is in the shade Medium 1 Custard. Never thought I would be a medium, but the light shades goes really dark, and I don't want to use this as a highlight. I wanted something to match my skin tone, because there are different types of concealers. There's concealers that reduce redness, there's concealers that reduce blueness, and a lot of people just buy one concealer. This concealer is good for if you want something on the go really quick. It is medium to full coverage. It is good for acne spots or blemishes, but it is really good if you put the blueness corrector, then this for a full face of makeup. That sounds like a lot of product, but trust me, if you use a damp beauty blender maybe a little bit on top of it, it might look gorgeous. I'm pretty sure I have it on today, and I did not know what to expect of the hype of this, but it is really, really good. I will list down below all of the drugstore dupes for these. There is a drugstore dupe for this, but it isn't as much of a coverage as this. This, like I said, medium to full coverage, depending on how thick, how many layers and drops you put on. If you can tell by all these packages in this video, they are gonna have like some wear and tear, because I did put it back in the package for you guys, but I did try them on because I want to make sure they're good. It has this doe foot applicator, and you just makes it more sanitization. You can put it on a palette if you're doing someone else's makeup. I don't know if you do those things, but I understand the struggle. Oh, and I have receipts. Sounds tacky, but I want to make sure I list the price. I will list the price right here of everything in case you want to go to Sephora or online to get all the things. I wish I did this before Cyber Monday, because I'm sure there's a lot of sales. Next thing, speaking of stuff to take care of corrections, maybe you need to correct your hair and it's too frizzy at the ends. I got this Fido Paris. It was a wonderful brand, I've heard. The box is a little squished because I had to have everything shipped over, and I could not take this on me with the plane, because look at the bottle, it's huge. It's like this golden honey. Winnie the Pooh, I stole your honey, put it in this with some sparkles at the bottom. It is very oily, but you put it on the ends of your hair mostly, and through and comb it out as a treatment before you take a shower. It says 10 minutes on the box, but sometimes I've heard you can put it for an hour. I've heard of 6 hours, up to that. I used it one time. I smell like a rich person. Like, I can't afford this. What is this? I smell like I have more money than I do. But if you can afford it, maybe try it. I did not see a difference after the first try, but I will let you know. It takes 2 times a week, and I would need to do a couple months maybe to see if this will actually work. It's just so pretty, and I heard this brand is amazing. Like I said, I will let you know. Oh my gosh, this next product, talk about treating your hair. How about treating your skin while wearing makeup? Yes, makeup that treats skin. This is the No Makeup Skincare Perricone MD, I think the brand is. Sorry if I messed that up, but this is such a beautiful natural blush in this weird applicator bottle that's ye old timey with the frost, so you can't really see the color till you open it. It's a doe foot applicator like that last creamy concealer is, but it is just a great natural color. Only like 3 drops on your cheeks, blend it in. I am wearing it today. It is so natural and beautiful. It might be washed out on camera because of all the lights and stuff, but in person, let me tell you, you will look like you're not wearing makeup, that you just have rosy, beautiful cheeks. This is quite expensive, but it does have SPF 30 in it, and it does help heal your skin that is damaged or broken and protects it from the sun. It says it's anti-aging from the sun, and it decreases the chance of skin cancer. That's a lot of promises. I don't know about that. It is just a beautiful color and very natural looking. What if you want to look like you're major blushing around your crush at school, but you don't want it to look too fake with a ton of blush? This will be perfect. Just saying, try it if you could do it. This is probably one of my all-time favorite products I got. Actually, it's not. I'll show you the next one next. What's next in the bag? My all-time favorite, Anastasia Brow Wiz. I have heard my cousins, my mamas, my aunts, uncles, my half-cousin twice removed talk about Anastasia Brow Wiz. I kid you not. Have someone match your color in there. So expensive, but it is so worth it. You got the brow pencil on one end that's little tiny, but it's the perfect shape to make those little hairs in your eyebrows to make it look so natural and beautiful. It makes me so mad that I bought any other product under this. That's how much I like it. With a spoolie on the other end, just make sure not to get this spoolie in on that cap, because I've done it twice already and it ruins the tip of your pencil. I was so mad because this is so expensive, but I want to buy multiples to make sure that I don't run out. It is that good. I kid you not. This is the best brow product I've ever used in my lifetime. I'm using it today. It looks like these are all mine. I do have bald spots on my eyebrows. That's why I fill them in a little bit. We girls are the only girls that take away eyebrow hairs, then draw ones back in. It makes no sense. But this is the perfect one to do that with. I kid you not. I know it's super expensive. If you have the money for this and need a brow product and you do not try this, I'm gonna cry for you before I go to bed tonight. Next product was recommended to me by Bunny, who went with me shopping. As lucky as I am to have her as a friend, she told me, luckily enough, to talk about this, which is Bare Minerals Mineral Veil in the Hydrating Mineral Veil. This is a loose powder, skin tone looking, random translucent kind of loose powder. It's that expensive. What it does is it sets your concealer so it doesn't crease, and it hydrates it so it doesn't dry out. And it just looks better. I don't know what it is about it, but I swear to you, this looks better than my regular powder. I don't know what to tell you. Some Bill Nye the Science Guy type stuff is going under my eyebrows and into the crow's feet. Those creases and bags under your eyes are being filled with this, and it's magic. Next product is not one product, but four. Clinique Black Honey. I heard about this from Leanne Says on YouTube. She knows how to put makeup beautifully on her face. I don't know how she does it. Maybe she has angels helping her because it looks gorgeous, and she was wearing this in a video, and I had to get it. It is a different shade on everybody, which is weird, but I am a sucker for holiday package, and this one came with not one but four products. It was originally $36.50. It's on sale as a holiday package for $25 right now. You get this, what I was after, which is the lip balm that looks like a blackberry. Like those healthy looking berries that you see on Instagram posts that you wish you had a garden and could pick, but it's in this tube right now, and you go apply it to your lips. In person, I don't know how it looks like on camera. I'm wearing it today, but in person, it looks like a blackberry stain, and I think that's what it's meant to be, although it does look different on every skin tone, I heard. And it comes with a lip gloss, which is not my favorite, but it's there. A little tiny baby lip gloss. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, but they also have a black, not a black, but the black cherry matching eyeliner that's like a plum brown, and it's so smooth and creamy, and I like it. I don't know the wearing power. This is the first time I'm wearing it today, and they have a nail polish. What more can you ask for? Like, are you serious? I got four products for $25. That is so cheap. Under $7 a product. Are you kidding me? And the next product is so expensive, but it comes in a bronze case. It should come in all platinum gold, girl, because this is so much money. But let me tell you, if you want to look like those anime girls where they're glowing, have the little teardrops and like the little bing, you know what I'm saying? The stars, the glow. You get this. It's a trio, so if the girl doesn't know what she wants, if you want to get this for your mama, your girlfriend, and they want to look like J-Lo, get this glowing palette. And there is Dim Light, Incandescent, and Radiant. And there's a trio because what if they don't know what they want that day? Dim Light, I have it on today. It is like this goldeny type of highlighter. And this one is Incandescent, which is like a pearl, like mermaid ocean bottom pearl highlighter. And Radiant is just a neutral one that looks so natural and beautiful. This is so expensive, like I said, but if you need a good highlighter palette, this is where you'll get it. Cause it's not chunks of sparkle on your face. It's not barely there, no sparkle at all, and just some brightening effect. It is, I can't explain it. It looks like it's under the skin a little bit. I understand why it's so expensive, but it's still ridiculously expensive. I can't believe I spent money on this. I wish I could share it with the world, cause it's way too much money just for me. Girl, I just wanna look like J-Lo though. So I hope you guys like this haul. Let me know down below if you like more hauls. I do have more things to show you. I'm not sitting here to brag to you. I just want to make sure you guys don't spend your money on very dumb things, because I'm sure I'm going to be spending my money on a few stupid things, but I try to make smart choices on stuff that's really good that you guys will enjoy. It's like online shopping. I love to watch hauls myself. So let me know down below if you want to see another haul later on, because I do have more things that are a lot cheaper than Sephora. And I better get going to make you guys some more wintry art looks. There's a lot coming ahead, like I said, and I love you all. Leave a comment down below on what was your favorite thing that you would actually buy from this video, or any other things that you would suggest. Like I said, I do have drugstore dupes down below as best I can. Not all of them are perfectly exact, but they're the best I could do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Apologies if this video is forever long. But I hope you had fun. I will definitely be seeing you soon. Bye!